Welcome to my video. In this video, I show you how to set IP address using batch file. With this tool you have many options to set up different IP addresses. You can switch from static IP address to dynamic IP address and vice versa. Here, I do set static IP address, then switch to dynamic IP address mode. Here is the code to help you do that. You edit the IP address according to your own wishes. You can also add more options to set IP address. After you have completed the code, you need to save the file with the extension bat. You right-click to open the file, then select Run as Administrator. If you enter the wrong selection, the tool will ask you to enter it again. You will find this code in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.